Today we are diving into the world of algebra. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to solve equations using the properties of equality. Think of an equation like a balanced scale. Whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other to keep it level. Let's look at our first example. 7x plus 16 equals 30. Our goal is to isolate x. First, we subtract 16 from both sides following the subtraction property of equality. This leaves us with 7x equals 14. Next, to get x by itself, we divide both sides by 7 using the division property of equality. We find that x equals 2. Always check your solution. Substitute 2 back into the original equation. 7 times 2 plus 16 becomes 14 plus 16. And 30 equals 30. Our answer is correct. The next example requires simplifying before solving. 4 times the quantity of x minus 5 plus 3 equals 2 times the quantity of x plus 1. Apply distributive property to both sides to get 4x minus 20 plus 3 equals 2x plus 2. Combine like terms on the left, negative 20 plus 3 to get 4x minus 17 equals 2x plus 2. Now, move the variables to one side using the subtraction property of equality, giving us 2x minus 17 equals 2. Then add 17 to both sides using the addition property of equality. Now we have 2x equals 19. Finally, divide by 2. Applying the division property of equality, our solution is x equals 19 halves. To check, substitute 19 halves to the original equation. On the left side, 4 times the quantity of 19 halves minus 5 plus 3 simplifies to 21, while 2 times the quantity of 19 halves plus 1 also simplifies to 21. Since 21 equals 21, our solution is correct. We also have special cases. Special case number 1, no solution. In 2x plus 5 equals 2x plus 7, subtracting 2x from both sides leaves us with 5 equals 7. Since this is impossible, there is no solution or it is an empty set. Special case number 2, infinite solutions. In 5x minus x equals 4x, simplifying gives 4x equals 4x. Dividing it by 4 gives x equals x. And this is always true, meaning the answer is the set of all real numbers. Always remember, there are 3 possible outcomes. First, a single value, for example, x equals 2. Or no solution, for example, 5 equals 7. Or it could be all real numbers. Example, x equals x. Keep your scale balanced and solve with confidence. Thanks for watching!